Things I ate with Dana Lustig.
Hello, I'm Dana Lustig, and today I'm going to eat Paul the squid. Hello, Paul.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm feeling lucky today.
Apparently Paul's death was not in vain. They made a snack out of him. So, this is, I cannot read anything. I think that this is maybe the package, but I don't know. This is all, the only thing in English is product of Thailand. So, everything else here is in Thai. So, oh, you have to see this. This is $2. I can't eat that. Apparently that's what's left of him. No! Okay, so I'm gonna open this. Hopefully it's not as disturbing as the previous product I tasted. How do you open this? Ah, this is terrible. Oh, look, it's shaking. And look.
Ugh, I can smell for you.
This is actually not as horrifying as the previous thing I ate.
It's
Pretty good actually. It's like a snack, except for the smell maybe. Salty and spicy, but not too much, and it does not taste like squid, I can tell you that. I have no idea what squid flavor is. It's not squid. But, tell you what, I think after I'll finish eating this, I'll go buy a lottery ticket. I feel lucky today. So, thank you for watching.
Things I ate.